What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SPCE stock. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are now on the price action. Then I will show you some fundamental news that might affect the price either way. And then we will continue with the technical analysis and with the probable outcome of the price. So, and before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Webull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. So I covered this stock in the end of May, and right here I've told you that, let me show it to you, that we might have a pullback from this level, and our main accumulation points was at the level of 0.5 and 0.65, 0.618. Unfortunately, my forecast was wrong, and it is totally okay that because nobody's perfect, and my win rate is about 70 to 75%. And I am totally okay with this rate because at the end of the day I am still profitable and it is very good. And because of my forecast, you just missed this trade and you didn't even lose any penny. So let's continue with some fundamentals. First of all, let me give you a company profile. Virgin Galactic Holdings, an integrated aerospace company, develops human spaceflight for private individuals and researchers in the United States. It also manufactures air and space vehicles. The company's spaceship operations include commercial human spaceflight, flying commercial research and development payloads into space. In addition, it engages in the design and development, manufacturing, ground and flight testing and post-flight maintenance of spaceflight vehicles. So, and for now, this company doesn't have any revenue, and it is obvious. They have a negative net income of $397.75 million, but they have plenty of cash of around $616.63 million, and their total debt level is only $26.51 million. Their current ratio for now is 5.71. So, I think this is a quite stable company from the financial standpoint, despite of zero revenue. And it is obvious, they don't have any commercial flights so far. And let's continue with the latest news. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on June 25th, 2021, and it's titled Virgin Galactic Soars After Landing Approval from FAA for Full Commercial Launch License. And let me quote you these bullets. Virgin Galactic Holdings lands updated approval for the Federal Aviation Administration for the company's license to fly customers to space. The adjustment to Virgin Galactic's operator license marks the first time the FAA has licensed a spaceline to fly customers. Virgin Galactic was approved after it met the verification and validation criteria required by the FAA. Virgin Galactic is preparing for remaining 3 test flights with the data analyst from its flight last month complete. Virgin Galactic said that test flight performed well against all flight objectives. So, and let me show you that they plan to make their next flight in July. So, in a matter of months we will see, potentially we will see this flight. And this flight will include Richard Branson on its board. And this might be a very good potential catalyst, and it will be widely spread among all the mass media, and that's why, in my opinion, we will have one more huge leg to the upside after this successful flight. So, let me show you institutional investors of this company, and right here we are on fintel.io, and right here green line represents the new positions that was just opened with these companies, and gray lines represents slight increase or decrease in holding of this stock, and red lines represents the closing of entire position. So, as you can see, we are pretty much bullish or neutral, and this sentiment I think will continue until we'll have some commercial flights. And that's why for now we have a rather big short volume ratio. According to fintel.io, we have 29.48% of short volume ratio. And according to finvis.com, we have around 20% of short volume ratio. and this ratio is quite big, and we might have a short squeeze with the good sentiment from Reddit community like Wall Street Bets and some kind of that. And let me show you that for now we are, by the way, on kivercant.com. We have a stats for SPCE ticker, and as you can see on the Wall Street Bets, it has a huge increase in mentions of more than 2000%, and weekly mentions are also up, and monthly mentions are up as well. So as you can see, we have this huge spike in interest, and we have more call options than put options. This means the sentiment is rather bullish for the stock. On top of that, on hypeequity.com, we can see that SPCE ticker has the highest social volume, and the social volume is the total amount of times people have discussed a company on social media, and it has more than 4,000. So this means this company has a very good mass media sentiment, and this sentiment is very positive. That's why we might have another leg to the upside, but let's continue with the technical analysis, and I will show you how we might have next potential movements. So before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Let me show you that for now we have this huge surge in price, and let me show you that the majority of this price action occurs on extended hours. This means if you want to be able to catch this type of trades, your brokerage should allow you to trade on extended hours. And I have my referral link of Webull brokerage, and with Webull brokerage you can easily trade on fully extended hours from 4 a.m. till 8 p.m. absolutely for free. So I really appreciate if you will use my link to open your account. And let me show you indicators. So far on 4-hour time frame we have rather high RSI, and the level of RSI, you can see it right here, is 88.71. Let's switch to 1-hour time frame, and right here, as you can see, RSI floating at the overbought region, and right here we have a bearish divergence. This means we have lower highs on RSI, and for now we have this as our highest point, and we have higher highs on the price action right here. And this bearish divergence means that we might have a pullback, and let me show you on a bigger scale that we have right here we have a range of resistances at around $60 price point, and on the opening hours on Monday we might hit $60 mark, and then we might have a pullback, and this pullback might be if we completed all 5 waves, and let me show you Fibonacci retracement tool, then we might have a pullback to the levels of 0.236, 0.382 and 0.5. These levels might be hit easily with the price, and the level of 0.618 and 0.65 is the most probable level of trend reversal, but it is not so obvious that we might hit it. So what should you do if you want to invest in this asset? First of all, do your own due diligence, and then follow my 3 simple rules. Do not put the money that you are not willing to lose, do not go all in, and do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And in my opinion, it is not the best point to enter your position right here. We might have one more small leg to the upside, and then we might have a pullback. And on this pullback I will do another update, and I will show you the exact potential entry levels for you as an investor. And the total sentiment of this stock, let me show you on a weekly time frame. We are bullish, we don't have any bearish signs so far, and we have room to grow. On top of that, we are still bullish on the monthly time frame. So as you can see, we almost hit, we hit the border between overbought and neutral territory with RSI, and that's why we might continue our run to the upside. And we have a lot of positive catalysts that might be in the month of July, but first of all we have to slightly unload the entire structure, and we have to have a pullback. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye.